Welcome to the heart of innovation and power, where heavy machinery transforms landscapes and defies limits. In this episode, we delve into a world of colossal excavators, precision pavers, and revolutionary attachments. Join us as we explore the engineering marvels that redefine what's possible in construction, demolition, and beyond. From towering giants to intricate attachments, each machine tells a story of technological prowess and groundbreaking design. The CAT 395F is a 95-ton hydraulic excavator designed for high production and low maintenance costs in mining, quarrying, and heavy construction applications. The 395F is powered by a CAT C32 B-Tier 4 final engine that produces 701 horsepower. The machine has a bucket capacity of up to 19.1 cubic yards and a breakout force of 498,000 pounds. The CAT 395F is a popular choice for mining and quarrying applications because of its high production capabilities and low maintenance costs. The machine is also well suited for heavy construction applications, such as road building and bridge construction. The CAT 374 STC UHD is a 74-ton excavator for demolition and high-reach applications. It features a unique high-reach boom reaching up to 147 feet and a demolition package with a hydraulic hammer and pulverizer. The CAT 374 STC UHD is also well-suited for other high-reach applications such as bridge construction, sign removal, and tree trimming. The MVR40 Vibro Ripper is a hydraulically powered ripper attachment designed for use with 35, 50-ton excavators. It is ideal for ripping up hard and compacted materials such as frost, rock, and concrete. The MVR40 Vibro Ripper is equipped with a powerful hydraulic motor that drives a vibrating ripper shank. The vibrating action helps to break up the material, making it easier to rip. The MVR40 Vibro Ripper is also equipped with a replaceable ripper tip, which can be quickly and easily changed when worn. The track laying for the SGR is a complex process that involves a number of steps, starting with clearing the path for the track. This involves removing trees, rocks, and other obstacles. Once the path has been cleared, the sleepers are laid. Sleepers are the wooden or concrete beams that the rails are laid on. The rails are then laid on top of the sleepers. Once the rails have been laid, the track is ballasted. Ballast is the gravel or crushed stone that is placed around the sleepers to support the track. Despite the challenges, progress is being made on the SGR. The first phase of the SGR, which is from Mombasa to Nairobi, has been completed. The SGR is a major infrastructure project that is expected to have a significant impact on the development of East Africa. The Liebherr HS 855 HD is a heavy-duty hydraulic excavator designed for a variety of applications, including deep foundations, dredging, and material handling. It is powered by a Liebherr D 9508A7 engine that produces 603 horsepower at 1,900 revolutions per minute. The machine has a bucket capacity of up to 4.6 cubic yards. The Liebherr HS 855 HD is a popular choice for deep foundation applications because of its high lifting capacity and long reach. The machine is also well suited for dredging applications, as it can be equipped with a variety of dredging attachments. Additionally, the Liebherr HS 855 HD is a versatile machine that can be used for a variety of material handling applications, such as loading trucks and stockpiling materials. Mary peat ditchers are engineered for large-scale peat production operations, capable of digging ditches up to 48 inches deep and 10 feet wide. With their powerful engines and robust cutting heads, these machines effortlessly transform peat bogs into productive landscapes, maximizing yield and profitability. Proper drainage is crucial for sustainable peat production, preventing waterlogging and ensuring healthy peat growth. Mary peat ditchers play a vital role in this process, creating an efficient drainage network that promotes peatland rejuvenation and protects the environment. Komatsu Joy shuttle cars are built to withstand the rigors of the harshest underground environments. Their rugged frames, heavy-duty components, and advanced suspension systems ensure unwavering reliability, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. Despite their impressive size and payload capacities, Komatsu Joy shuttle cars excel in maneuvering through narrow mine tunnels and confined spaces. Their four-wheel independent suspension and permanent four-wheel drive provide exceptional traction and control even on uneven surfaces. In the realm of waste management, efficiency and sustainability are paramount. Enter Nye's GSX garbage shears, groundbreaking machines that transform waste handling by reducing disposal costs and minimizing landfill footprints. Equipped with biomimetic teeth that bypass and shear, these innovative shears effortlessly break down and compact a wide range of waste materials. The Steenbergen Holland Drain BSY 4000 is a trenchless drainage plow that is used to install drainage pipes in agricultural fields. It is a very effective way to improve drainage and increase crop yields. It can install pipes that are 2 to 6 inches in diameter and up to 3 feet deep. The plow can also be used to install pipes in a variety of soil conditions, including clay, loam, and sand. The BSY 4000 is a very popular plow in Europe and is also becoming increasingly popular in North America. In the realm of construction and earth-moving equipment, the Komatsu WA 900 wheel loader stands as a symbol of power, versatility, and unmatched reliability. At the heart of the WA 900 lies a formidable powertrain, boasting a Komatsu engine that delivers an astonishing 671 horsepower. This surge of energy, coupled with an advanced hydraulic system, propels the WA 900 through even the most challenging tasks, effortlessly handling even the most stubborn materials. ThyssenKrupp is a German multinational conglomerate company founded in 1863. The company is active in the steel, automotive, shipbuilding, and aerospace industries. ThyssenKrupp also manufactures a wide range of industrial machinery, including eccentric roll crushers. Eccentric roll crushers are used to crush hard rock and minerals into smaller pieces. They are typically used in the mining and aggregate industries. The MB Crusher Bucket is a versatile attachment that can be used to crush and screen materials directly on the job site. The MB Crusher Bucket works by using a combination of rotating crushing teeth and a fixed crushing bed to pulverize materials. The crushing teeth are attached to a rotor that spins at high speed, while the crushing bed is stationary. As the material is fed into the bucket, it is caught between the crushing teeth and the crushing bed and is broken into smaller pieces. The MB Crusher Bucket can also be used to screen materials by using a series of perforated screens. The screens are positioned at different angles, and the material is fed into the bucket from the top. As the material falls through the screens, it is sorted into different sizes. As we conclude this journey through the realm of heavy machinery, we've witnessed the symphony of power, precision, and progress. From high-reaching demolition giants to versatile forklifts, each machine plays a crucial role in shaping the world we live in. Keep the fascination alive and stay tuned for more episodes where we unravel the endless possibilities that these mechanical wonders bring to the table. Until next time, keep dreaming big, and may the spirit of innovation guide your path.